Money nisi, owa susu, neighbor princess. Wọ́n arrest wọ́n fi sí same cell pẹ̀lú Baba Ijesha because ọlọ́pàá realize pé ó bá ọmọ yẹn sùn òun gangan ni wọ́n rí pé ó bá ọmọ sùn wọ́n bá spam ń di ọmọ yẹn Baba Ijesha ó rí spam Baba Ijesha díẹ̀ ọmọ yẹn sọ Baba Ijesha bó sùn kò sí evidence Baba Ijesha ti kọ́ bọ́ndì èyí tó wá jẹ́ original ní time case Baba Ijesha ohun tí gbogbo yóò mọ̀ pé àwọn obìnrin yẹn ẹni ègbé àti ègún ló pọ̀ nù wọn time tí ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesha ọ̀tì yìí gangan yẹn ẹni tí wọ́n rí evidence pé tí ẹ̀ gangan bá ọmọ yẹn sùn was Damola Adekola and he was arrested. Ní same time gbogbo wọn dẹ̀ dákẹ́ mo dẹ̀ ń pariwo tún ní look ẹ lọ wo àwọn videos mi wọ́n ní àwọn ẹ̀kú sọ gbogbo àwọn media yẹn mo ní ìkàlẹ̀ ń ṣe yìí where is that guy? Is this in the same case, same victim, same investigation? Ṣebí sọ pé Baba Ijesha ṣe nǹkan báyìí ni ọlọ́pàá dé ẹni sùúrù ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ṣèwádìí ṣebí tó bá ṣèwádìí dé tó bá rí pé ẹni kọ́ ló bá sùn àti ríwádìí àrípẹ́ ni ẹni ló wá bá sùn this woman gbogbo àwọn obìnrin àtàwọn tó ń pera wọn ní journalist àwọn kìíní kan your view wọ́n dẹ̀ dákẹ́ wọ́n ní ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀bọ̀ kejì yẹn o ẹ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ gbogbo wa sọ̀rọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ káyé bàbá sọ pé èèyàn burúkú ni wá o ẹ jẹ́ àdákẹ́ all of them wọ́n dẹ̀ dákẹ́. They went silent, radio silence on that guy. And that guy insisted, he said, Ewobi, emi o lemi o bomo yen so, girlfriend òun ni o. Teba de shebe, teba gbohun lo court. The guy was telling Baba Ijesha in cell, teba gbohun lo court, òun sorry o, evidence pomo yen agbalagba ni o ma mule. Lo and behold, they just asked the guy to walk free. The guy, o de file ko ma lo. Awo de le mo ko ti file gba e. Kabere court ko gbe won yen wa pe ni same investigation o ìdílé tí mo ṣe takú sáwọn ọlọ́pàá pàntí yẹn pé kíni gbogbo eléyìí mo wá pe àwọn tó jẹ́ NGOs àwọn activists ńgbà yẹn pé ẹ ti ṣe ohun tó fẹ́ ṣe Baba Ijesha ẹ ti on ti dẹ pańpẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ accept pé pańpẹ́ ni ẹ make kawara lu ṣe bí gbà tẹ́ pé n tí Baba Ijesha wá ṣe nìyẹn now mo ní kí ló dé tí ẹ wá jà fún ọmọ yẹn débi ọ̀dọ̀ Damola Adekola yẹn. Don't you people know that this girl will be running into that guy? Who was Kosi Yabo. Until while I was fighting Mohbad's case, Moti Bade Bitola Pere. A lot of people don't know how far I've gone. Even up until now. The next thing, Iyabo Ojo's lawyer, they never served me any letter. On that same video, it was a way, kí ló dé tẹ́ jà fún kí wọ́n prosecute bọ̀bọ́ yẹn. I wasn't served any pre-action notice. Me ò receive anything. Me ò anything. The next thing, behind me, your Iyabo Ojo went and told the court, pé èmi ò fẹ́ gba service àwọn mo sá ẹni tí ò rí mi. Tí ó pè mí pé mo wà mo ṣe press conference mo announce bí mo fẹ́ ṣe press conference wọ́n wá serve mi bẹ́ẹ̀ o mo ṣe oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ní case Mohbad o. She went behind me to tell them in the court pé they wanted to serve me I didn't collect adájọ́ yẹn okay ẹ tún lọ ṣe alternate service wọ́n ṣe gbogbo yẹn lẹ́yìn mi then àti lọ bóyá ọkọ̀ lẹ̀ síbẹ̀ wọ́n ya photo wọ́n yọ kúrò they will go to in front of my house. They will put it there, they will snap it, and they will allow you to wait. And probably, I don't know how they did it, they will tell the bailiff, tell him you post it there. Meanwhile, they just got to front of my house, and I feel bad again, you, and let's see be. Oh yeah, you have to pay what you did, why you're kuro. I won't know anything was pasted there, but they will go and tell the judge. Yes, the order that you gave for alternate service, we have served your Fabiyi. So if he does not come, let's start the trial. And I able to serve alternate service. That never happened. I didn't see anything. And then until the court clerk now messaged me that, sir, there is a case that is going to start in this court. Though it's a civil matter, it's not a police matter. That I said, which case? I'm not aware of any case. Say, look at it. Over send the kid, but I still cannot picture because the line tí mo come video tí mo sọ pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó princess mi hide bí tọ́lọ́ bá bu àìlú Ìyábọ̀ ẹni màmá sáfù tí mo sọ òótọ́ pé kí ló dé tí ẹ ṣe wà detailed kẹ́ ṣe the right thing kẹ́ pariwo síjọba pé kí ló dé tí ẹ prosecute Dàmọ́lá Adékọ́lá ìyẹn ni wọ́n wá lọ kóòtù pé mo bà ẹ́ lórúkọ jẹ́ lórí. You are a terrible aggressor. You did not only bully me, you confirm you bully me. You attack my reputation, you abuse me, you denigrate me, you even body shame me. Once upon money, I challenge you as an activist. I am challenging you all. I challenge you to pursue the case. Be on the Lagos state government and the team. They should go and anytime you so back on she getting you. So this is what you all are doing behind me. Balalawo. Mi ò ní ṣépè fún yín o. See, this is activism. Tí Ìyábọ̀ ló ṣe àbí. Ó máa jẹ gbèsè lórí case here because I'm not going to back down again. And I will now start my own serious criminal cases against her. I will now forward everything to where I should have done it. Nígbà tí mo ti rí pé ṣe wèrè tí ọlọ́wà mo block ẹ gbogbo bí mo ti fẹ́ block ẹ WhatsApp nìkan mo filẹ̀ even tí ní ẹjọ́ ẹ mo ṣe kí because we belong to the same group wọ́n ní ká lọ kí ó kí. But ask yourself Lọ́lálàwó ohun tí Ìyábọ̀ ṣe lẹ́yìn tèmi lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ o. I wasn't served anything. Kò ní pè mí lẹ́jọ́ kí n má dáhùn kò ń ṣerú òun yẹn. Mo fi ọlọ́ba búra kéèsì yẹn mo lè má lò lọ́yà lọ́bẹ̀. Adájọ́ bá wò ó níwò pé you this woman you are terrible. Akọ́kọ́ run pa a ní kó sọ yálà yọwọ́ fún mi because she is the first aggressor. Mi ò rí bí tí mo ti lọ bá rí. Mi ò kọjá yàrá mi lọ báyìí. O rí kéèsì tí mo bẹ́ẹ̀ dá sí rí. Èmi ni máa sọ nǹkan tó máa hàn mọ́ mi. But àwọn tó máa tẹ̀ ẹ́ máa níwọ̀ lórúkọ. Ibi Ọlọ́run ní on a very good day tí ó bá ṣe kàn tó rán you will not talk and I will respond. She went about and did all that evil. I'm coming, Akorede. I'm coming. She went about and did all that behind me. Which I'm very sure, 99% sure, that you are aware of this. So that you're my own committee that you're sharing me. But she don't pay in industry lele. Okay, tí bàbá Ijesha ẹ sunkún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká azu gbogbo yabo te wá commit offense tó tọ́ pẹ̀lú case tí don't know here civil suit ni. So tó bá jẹ́ pé ó fẹ́ shika fún mi náà bẹ́ ṣe máa support ẹ náà ni. Ẹ wá padà tún sunkún later. Ah, tọrọ Yomi yẹn mo dẹ̀ pé o. Ah, ègún bọ̀ o. Ẹ lè máa rí owó jẹun, ẹ lè máa rí kankan ṣe o. Ẹ lè máa rówó lọ gbá ìlú àwo mi ò rí ìlú tẹ lọ táwo lọ. Ẹ kàn fi party ra yìí ni torí kò ṣe pé yìí yẹn wà ńbẹ̀ náà ẹ afagídí ló gbà lágídí ni. Ṣé rò pé at the end of the day princess tó sá lọ fún rẹ̀ in the middle of the case kò mọ reason tó ṣe sá lọ ni. Ṣádájọ́ yẹn go mọ kan tá fẹ́ bá wọn pò court bá yẹn ni people were they tried to threaten me. They took my case to that court. Ìjọ tí wọ́n fẹ́ tó charge mi ní court yẹn before Justice Taiwo Olúwatóyìn Taiwo. Tèmi jẹ́ ẹ̀rí Ìyábọ̀ lọ sí same court. They also went to Zone 2 to wrote fictitious petition against me. Nígbà case Baba Ijesha lọ. Gbogbo yẹn Ọlọ́run ṣe mo borí gbogbo ẹ̀. Ó sì yà lẹ́nu pé báwo mo ṣe borí. Onímọ́tò tó ń bá wọn tó gbé sẹ́yìn tọ́jọ́ ṣe rárá. Kò ní bó ṣe bá yẹn jẹ́ tó gbogbo pò tí yẹn wà yẹn lose now. Àìmọye ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn. Torí ìgbà iṣẹ́ tí yẹn ṣe ìgbà tó yẹ kó jẹ́ lọ́padà gbà lọ́yẹ̀ pé níbo kò jọ because ìwọ iná ló lọ ń pàdé àpòpọ̀ pẹ̀lú nítọ̀ ìkàtẹ́ ìṣe yẹn ó ń padà lẹ́yìn but few of the people tí wọn mọ̀ tán kí lẹ́yìn Ọlọ́run náà wọn pàṣọ. Inú gbèkùn ni Baba Ijesha wà nítorí pé ohun tí princess pè wá fún ohun tí òye ogbó yín ni pé ohun tí princess pè Baba Ijesha wá sínú ilé yẹn basis tó fi set up gbogbo camera yẹn orí irọ́ àti ìkànnì. She groomed the girl. It's a criminal offense punishable with life imprisonment. Ó bá ọmọ tó pè lọ́mọ ẹ̀ sọ fún pé ọmọ mi gbé ara ẹ̀ dúró. Ó ti pè ọ̀rẹ́ mi colleague mi ó ń bọ̀. Tó bá ti débí ó like obìnrin ìwọ ṣá máa ṣe ju sí bá ṣe pé ó ń wò. Tó bá ti rí kó ti ó ti rò pé like òun ni. Tó bá ti ń fọwọ́ kàn ẹ jẹ́ kó fọwọ́ kàn ẹ o. Tó bá fẹ́ kí ọwọ́ bọ ojú òbò ẹ jẹ́ kó kọ bọ̀. Tó bá fẹ́ jábra ẹ jẹ́ kó já má worry. Má gbé ara sá fún. Ẹ sọ pé gbé ló wà. I said, how can you ask a minor? To bá jẹ́ pé 14 years lẹ fẹ́ mú. How can you sit your own child down? Because kò sí pé ó máa kọ fọwọ́ kàn ẹ 1 minute. Even if it's going to be 30 seconds. No parents, no adults, no teacher, no police, no judge should make a child or a minor to suffer PTSD because you want to gather evidence. A lot of Nigeria territory we are locked up with terrible citizens and human beings. It means social media witchcraft ti wọlé mo ní picture tèmi rí yàtọ̀ sí ohun tẹ́ rí ṣé torí exposure tèmi ní àbíkíni mo ní listen up now gbogbo ohun tí mo ṣe lálàyé tí lady tó ń condemn mi fún nìyẹn tó fi ní pé lórí social media ọlá kan tó jẹ́ pé I'm not social media free pé after 10,000 comment section follow 1 million wọ́n lè títí gbogbo wọn tọ́ra àdìjọ́ 1 million kí ló ṣàwélé wow money now. How can you ask a child to submit a body for retrauma? Mo so yibo ebo den so o de run yibo mi lọ́wọ́. Àwọn embassies ń gbọ́, àwọn human rights activists, reasonable child rights activists wọ́n gbọ́. Wọ́n wá pé ṣé nǹkan tí bobo yìí sọ ye ge ni. Kí ló ní tó ń destroy? O tún lọ síwájú pàǹtí ẹni wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fún yàn ní bail tó jẹ́ right ti ẹ. Ẹ lọ protest pé wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fún ní bail. Ipe ó ti bọ́ ọmọ ọdún méje sùn, which is a lie. No evidence of that. Ṣé tó ní princess ti wá ké ó ti lo social media ẹ ti lọ fún láyé kó máa lọ sí gbogbo media houses just the way they did with this woman. Money gbogbo yẹn is not tenable in the society. Ele ambush èèyàn to misfortune. Baba Ijesha was ambushed to that misfortune. Ìran ọkùnrin ló like obìnrin. Kana ọmọ ọdún méje ni ẹ fi set Baba Ijesha. Ó wá fall. We will tell you straight, apart from them setting you up, which is not right. Are you even meant to be sexually attracted to a 7-year-old? Look at the video. But Obrito he set her up on your regularly. The girl has been having sex. Princess never could get intimate sex. Omo pẹ̀lú tó basun wà nú lé òun bẹ̀. Ó rí bó ṣe set Baba Ijesha up. Even security lẹ́yìn enjoy yẹn. Ó mọ̀ kó bá ọmọ ìsùn. Ó dẹ̀ ní ó fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Baba Ijesha wà punished for a crime that never existed when she was 7. Ẹ wá rí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ńsìn. Ìwà ń ṣe àdúrà ẹ sunkún ṣe bèrè bí tí àwọn ẹkún ti ní ìkẹ́ bèrè pé ṣe ẹkún iyì lẹ́ sùn because lè bọ́ I'm telling you. Money grooming a child or a minor for a sexual activity is a serious criminal offense. It is punishable with life imprisonment. You cannot by any chance kò sí nǹkan tó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa wálé ayé ọmọ yẹn ti l'experience líle o. Ó ṣe fẹ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ sọ fún ọmọ kékeré pé ọmọ mi ọkùnrin gbé tẹ́ni ẹ bá dé tó bá lóun fẹ́ kí okóbó ẹ nídìí lẹ́yìn jẹ́ kó ṣáà kíbọ̀ mo fẹ́ mú ni kí n rí bó ṣe máa kíbọ̀ because tó bá kíbọ̀ the crime ṣe wà committed tó bá jókòó sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tó wọ ọmọ yẹn you cannot conclude that a crime has been committed until insertion or ó ti ọ̀bọ̀ lójú ara àbó tẹ ọmọ ẹ̀ then you now say ó ṣe so until he abused the child again before you can establish a crime so you want your own child to suffer that again. But look at the person, don't suku, but mo ṣe ṣèyàn. Ibi tí Ọlọ́run ti wá gbé, tí Ọlọ́run wá gbé jàmíjà, gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó dìde ńgbà yẹn tó tún fi ọmọ bú mi gbà yẹn. Ẹ rí pé nínú ogun yẹn náà ni mo bímọ ni. Ilé tí wọ́n fi bú mi, inú ogun yẹn because Ọlọ́run máa ta lé òun gbà yẹn, ó bá ṣe gbọ́ ẹ̀ tó lórò pé òun ti nílé gbà yàwó òní. Inú ogun yẹn náà la kọ́lé. Money going forward. Money, it is a serious criminal offense. Ben yo obìnrin ṣe wá lẹ́yìn lẹ́ ń jà fún wọn kéré o. Tèmi ọkùnrin dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo eléyìí. Tẹ́ condemn mi wá o pé ṣé báwo la yí àwọn ọmọ ṣe fẹ́ dá pẹ̀lú àwọn obìnrin báyìí lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Mo ní báwo lèèyàn ṣe máa jí láàárọ̀ kùtùkùtù. you are aware that this person is a potential pedophile, a sex predator, he has the propensity to abuse a child. The depth we owe every child is protection. When one of set the camera, or look power CCTV guys, when one set the camera, or fair record sexual abuse of a child, of a minor, that is punishable with life imprisonment. Bobo to kosunu UKB, to lo visit asylum, to ba ti daytime, one padà lọ review ẹ. Nígbà táwọn go feri wàhálà. Baba Ijesha máa jáde very shortly. In the next 2-3 months, Baba Ijesha máa jáde. Tí rí pìtìpìtì. Bóyá ẹ ṣe máa lọ wá ẹ máa lọ train bó ṣe sunkún because Baba Ijesha yìí máa sọ story tare. Èyí tèmi sọ yìí, èmi sọ̀rọ̀ based on being a human rights activist. Baba Ijesha ń gbà yẹn ó rí pé ogun ayé ni. Òun ló mọ̀ nǹkan tó bá princess po. You now saw the video of confession. Èyàn tó wà nulẹ̀ kó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ princess. Ni wọ́n ká Baba Ijesha kó kiss mọ́ nulẹ̀ yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ princess ni Baba Ijesha ká bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó bó ṣe máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ náà nìyẹn. Torí kò sí right to anybody ní mo ká ẹ mọ́ nulẹ̀. Ó ń bá ọ̀rẹ́ mi sùn. Ó ń bá bí ọmọ mi, ó ń kiss ọmọ mi. So fẹ́ máa gapá pé you have right. Tèmi àti ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti ní nǹkan papọ̀ rí tẹ́lẹ̀. Tí Baba Ijesha àti princess ò bá ní relationship, Baba Ijesha kò ní pé máa bọ̀ nulẹ̀ mi. Òun kò gbọ́dọ̀ bọ́ta. Gbogbo yín jọ mọ̀ ní àti lọ́lá ìrọ́lẹ̀ ń pa. Ṣé ìyàbọ̀ ò lè bèrè lọ́wọ́ princess pé dóná princess? Ṣé Baba Ijesha kọ̀ kúrò lé tó wà?